How many tools do you think? Well, let's just count them up. We got a hammer, pry tool, pliers, saw, screwdriver, can bottle opener, knife, another saw. Yes, if you said there's 12 tools, you would be correct. This is from Easy Home right here on the TikTok shop. It's made by a regular dude for regular dudes like us, and I absolutely am obsessed with the carbon fiber design of this bad boy. This is an awesome little multi-tool right here, and the price is freaking awesome, and you should check it out. I'm gonna put your shopping cart down below